What if you could build your own app or website today, without writing a single line of code? In 2026, millions of people are doing exactly that. So what exactly is vibe coding? The term was coined in early 2025, and it means building software by describing what you want in plain language. You tell the AI what to build. It writes the code. You look at the result, describe the changes you want, and iterate. No syntax, no setup, no computer science degree required. By 2026, this became a real industry worth a Tool 1. Lovable. This is the best starting point if you've never written code. You describe your app in a chat box, and Lovable builds a full-stack application. Front-end, back-end, and database included. It uses React and Supabase under the hood. But you never have to touch any of that. Founders use it to ship real products. Tool 2. Bolt.new. If speed is what you want, Bolt is the fastest way to go from prompt to working prototype. Often in under 10 minutes. Everything runs right in your browser. So there's nothing to install. Its free tier is generous. Tool 3. V0. By Vercel. When your project needs a beautiful interface, V0 is the specialist. Describe the screen you want. A dashboard, a landing page, a pricing table, and it generates clean, professional React components that look like a designer made them. Tool 4. Replit. This one builds your app and hosts it online in the same place, so you can share a link the moment it works. Its agent handles bigger, multi-step builds like logins and databases. And Tool 5. Google AI Studio. The best completely free option. You get powerful Now, one honest warning. Vibe coding gets you to a demo fast, but always review before you ship. In 2026, studies found that nearly half of AI-generated code fails basic security checks, most often because of hard-coded API keys or missing login protection. Check those two things every single time. Here's your action plan. Pick one small problem in your life or business. Describe it to Lovable or Bolt this. And if you'd rather have experts handle any of this for you, that's our job. Joseph Reuben, Nexus. Any task that needs a computer, we've got you covered. Call or WhatsApp us on +2